Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about how to install Power BI, a business intelligence tool provided by Microsoft. First go to the Chrome or any of the browser you have. Go to google.com. Simply write Power BI and you will just click on the first link and go to the products. You will see a variety of these versions. If you have work account you can download any of it, but for our convenience and for initial use, if you don't have your work account, then simply download Power BI desktop. So clicking on desktop, clicking on download free, you will see another window pops up of buy a Microsoft Store. This is a Microsoft Store windows where you will install this Power BI desktop from here. In a meanwhile, just explore what actually Power BI gives you. So this is an infographics to your all data you can fetch from complex Excel sheet, JSONs, and variety of sources. And you can just make an infographics which will tell you a meaningful data of that complex Excel data or from another files. Simply you can get data from Excel, text, CSV files, PDF, folders, JSON, and there are a variety of sources where you can get it from. Next you have to clean your data, and with an automated steps from here, applied steps from, so that as you add on file here, it will automatically take those steps and prepare a cleaner version for you. It's just like you have to do once, rest it's automated. Then you have to make relations between the worksheets. This is a complex one, starting with the basics to the complex, so you don't need to worry. And finally, I'll show you some results like this. It must be taken from the engine department that have a complex data of Excel which where you cannot give your results from that complex data. But Power BI is a tool where it takes the complex data from the Excel and convert it into a meaningful data in the form of infographics. So as you can see, the faults by engine parse, this is the engine, and the maximum fault, it comes from this part and least from this part, fuel pump. So this is all about the Power BI. I hope the download, you will get back to this Microsoft Store windows and you will see our download has been completed. Just click on open. You will see your home page appearing. This type of interface you will see. And what work account is actually? Work account is your work mail ID. If you have your work mail ID proper, then it's easy to get into another versions. If you don't have, it's alright. It's good for practice for right now. So you can just go for the tool, getting started with Power BI, building reports, query reports, uploading your reports, and create a phone reports, right? So just simply get data. That's it.